Hola, hoy vamos a aprender de los saludos. So we're going to learn about greetings, saludos, how to say hello, goodbye, and everything in between. Also when we introduce ourselves or other people. Okay, so let's get started. Saludos, okay? So saying hello and goodbye. When we greet someone, we can say hola, buenos días, which is good morning, buenas tardes, which is good afternoon, buenas noches. That's sometimes good evening or good night in English. So basically, buenas noches. Noches is usually when it's getting dark. And also getting dark and then dark in general. Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Okay, to say goodbye to someone. There's many ways, depending on the situation. Adiós. Bueno, tengo clases. You know, if that's the what is happening, that we have a class, yeah. Bueno, tengo clase. To say bye or goodbye, ciao. Bye, like ciao, it's more informal. So we say that between, among friends, people that we are acquainted with. See you later. Hasta luego. See you tomorrow. If you know that you're going to see someone tomorrow, hasta mañana. I have to go. Sometimes, we have to go. We have other plans, other things, and so tengo que irme. Tengo que irme. Okay? That's many ways to say goodbye to someone or part ways. Some vocab, señor. Okay? Anybody that is, we show respect or is a little bit older, we say señor. Señorita. This is a young person, a young lady, a miss. Okay? Señorita. Señora, ma'am. Okay? Lady. Joven. That can be a young man. Okay? Anybody that is considered young. And in this case, it's a man, it's a boy. So, joven. Now, let's talk about when we introduce people and also how we respond to an introduction. Okay, so let's see. When we introduce ourselves to someone, so to introduce yourself to someone, you can say two ways of the same thing. So, my name is, you can say either me llamo or mi nombre es. Either one. Okay, for example, if someone's name is Gustavo, this guy is gonna say me llamo Gustavo. Or he can say mi nombre es Gustavo. Either one, it's the same, means my name is. I am, when we say I am this, like when we say our names, we can say soy. And then we're going to use the same name, so Gustavo. I am Gustavo. Soy Gustavo. Or soy María, soy Rosa, anything, okay? Any name. To introduce others. Okay, so for example, we're in a group and then we need to introduce the person that we are with. And so if that happens to be one of our friends, which is a male friend, we're going to say, él es mi amigo. So it's always depending on the gender of the person we are introducing to others. Or if it's a female friend, ella es mi amiga. Él es mi amigo, ella es mi amiga. Okay, so, when we also say their names, like his name is this or her name is this, we can say se llama. Okay, so se llama. And then if it's a man or a girl, a boy, se llama Miguel. And if it's a girl or a woman, se llama Jen. Okay? Depending on, of course, the gender of the person that we are talking about. And then if we want to ask, and you, like, what's your name? So, ¿y tú cómo te llamas? Okay? ¿Y tú ¿Cómo te llamas? So we are asking, and what's your name? To respond to an introduction, there's many ways to, when we want to be polite and be nice, of course. And so, nice to meet you, mucho gusto. Delighted to meet you or pleasure to meet you. We can say encantado or encantada. That's going to be depending on the gender of the person being delighted, being, feeling good about meeting someone. And so if it's a man or a guy that feels like he's saying pleasure to meet you, so he's going to say encantado. And if it's a girl or a woman, it's going to say encantada. And then igualmente, same here. Okay? Igualmente. Likewise. I feel the same way. I'm delighted to meet you. So same here. Igualmente. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this presentation about greetings and also introducing people and also responding. And I'll see you next time. Ciao!